Did that haul from Pandabuy arrive with a wrong size, color, or maybe just wasn't what you expected? Don't sweat it, because today we're breaking down the exact steps to exchange items on Pandabuy, making the process smooth and stress-free. Alright, first things first. Fire up that Pandabuy app and head straight to your orders. Find the specific item you want to exchange and tap on it to see the order details. Now look for the After Sales or Exchange button. It might be labeled slightly differently depending on updates, but it's usually found near the bottom. Tap on that to initiate the exchange request. This is where you explain why you're exchanging the item. Be clear and concise. Select the correct reasons, size, color, or other details you need to be exchanged, and also upload photos if there is damage or another good reason to exchange the item. Once your request is approved, and Pandabuy is usually pretty quick about this, carefully repackage the item. Use the original packaging if you have it, and add some extra padding like bubble wrap or foam to protect it during shipping to the seller. Pandabuy will provide you with a shipping label. Print it out and securely attach it to the package. Make sure the barcode is clear and scannable. Finally, keep an eye on the tracking information within the Pandabuy app. This will let you know when the seller receives the return and when your new item is shipped out. That's all there is to it.